Hi everyone, this is Mr. Nivas. Today I have come up with another video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to draw Batman character. So this is a full body character. This character doesn't have much more color variations to have, so this is just a gray tone. So that I have chosen the pencil drawing for this character. Let me draw the head on the left hand side top for the reference and make it as a three part. The usual way I make the center line to divide the two parts left and right, since that is a symmetrical shape. Now I mark the line as a 8 section with even size, because normally the human body size is 7.5 or 8 times like 8 size. Now I am checking the sections whether it is 8 or not. This is the head on the left hand side as a reference, so now I'm going to draw the head as first. The usual way, I simply make the rough outline first with a normal HP pencil that will be easily erasable. Okay, so after that I'll use CD marker or pen marker to give a divide the head as a three part. Now I mark the shoulder. The shoulder length is 2 times head size. From the center, left hand side one head and right hand side one head. So totally the shoulder width is 2 times head. Okay, I mean the two sides of the head. Just marking the hip area, that is 1.5 head size. Rectangle, you just make it. Okay, so for the leg, that's a two head, same way like a shoulder, and mark the skeleton lines for the head. And the same head is the comparison for the ties. uh, so now I'm checking the sizes. Now I explain how I mark the all lines and I made a skeleton. As usually I said, the shoulder is 2 times like head. Okay, and hip is 1.5 head size, and hand normally 3.5. But anyway, this pose will be, he will be holding the hands. I mean the finger will be closed. So I have done it as a 3 times head size. Okay, same way on the right. So this is going to be a underwear area, and this is knee point, right? The thighs thickness is from chin to high brow length. So same for the other leg also. Calf thickness is uh, the width of the face, I mean the horizontally. Okay. So let me give the detailed drawing. Start from the head, step by step. Okay. So in this step I am making all the detail form of the whole body and wings. Actually, he is a superhero version, so he has a very good muscular body with a six pack, and like he's like a muscular man to show his powerful strength. This is why all the kids and the youngster likes this kind of superhero characters. And as much as muscular, right? He's wearing gloves and socks on the legs. Okay, and now we need to make a final outline, so that I'm going to use CD marker or the pen marker, okay, for just outline. After this we are going to erase all the unwanted line, and this is very most important step, because once you make any mistake you cannot be erased, because we are using CD marker. This is permanent one. Okay. We are not supposed to make all the lines with marker, because anyway we are going to have pencil shading on after this. So only on the depth area we're just marking outlines to have a clear drawing. Every time for the initial sketch you should use the normal HP pencil, because that can be easily erased after the cleanup, I mean after the main line drawn. Okay, see the way how I do the outline. In this step you can make some corrections even if you make any mistake on the initial sketch. Okay, this now we are going to erase all the unwanted lines. This part has only up to the line drawing, so we will see the shading in the part 2. I have the part link in this description below. Please click the link and watch the part 2. If you like this part 1 video, please like the like button and subscribe my channel for more art videos like this. I hope this video is very useful for the beginners who try to learn art. Okay, I'll see you with another new video for the next time. Till then, bye bye, see you.